Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Double R and I am the producer and host of App Store Reviews 101, and I am here with you today with our second video review, episode 2. Every week we will be reviewing 3 free apps from the top 25 on the App Store, or we will review an app submitted by a user like you. You can email us the apps you want us to review, or if you have any other questions or comments, email us at appstorereviews101@gmail.com. It will also be in the video description. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to email us an app you want us to review. And when you send us an email, please include your YouTube name and your app. So, getting straight into reviewing, we have 3 free apps for you today from the travel portion of the App Store, not the top 25. We have Narrator, Urban Spoon, and Google Earth. So we will review those today. So, starting first with Translator, which is one of the top free apps on the travel portion of the App Store. It is a great basic translating app which translates basically any language into any other language, and it is quite accurate. I did test some Spanish and translate it into English, and it did do it accurately, because some of these translators really do a bad job at translating from Spanish to English or English to Spanish, but this one did a pretty good job. But for a basic translator, I do have to say it is kind of complicated to use, but you will get used to it. I believe translators should be a little less complicated, but I rate this one a 6 out of 10, which is pretty good, and for a free application like this, Translator is great. So the next application we're going to be jumping into is Urban Spoon, which is an excellent service to help you find restaurants nearby you, whether you're in a foreign area or just in your hometown and you're trying to find something different. Urban Spoon is very similar to Pandora in the sense that it is just an unbelievable service and it's totally free. It helps you, as I said, find restaurants in your area that you've never even heard of. Obviously, it will show ones that you've also heard of if you are searching in that area. But it's a great application. As you can see, there's 3 scroll bars. The first one, all the way onto the left, is the city portion, so you can pick your city. Obviously, there's a built-in function for GPS capability to automatically pick the city for you. And there's also the middle scroller, which is the types of food, whether it's Italian, Mexican, American, whatever, and then the one all the way to the right is the pricing, whether it's cheap or really expensive. You could shake the phone to get it to pick something randomly, or you can click the red button. And there's multiple things at the bottom of the screen where it shows you like different maps and whatnot, everything like that. But it's an excellent service. Definitely try it out. I rate this an 8 out of 10. The final and last application we will review is Google Earth, which is obviously provided by Google for free on the App Store. It is also on the travel portion of the App Store. It does take a little while to load up, and the reason being is because it's such a large application. In this video, it's a little bit hard to see the images, so unfortunately, you will have to try it out yourself, but it's an unbelievable application. It's very similar to the Google Maps portion, the Maps application on your iPhone or iPod Touch when you got your iPhone or iPod Touch, and it's very similar to the satellite view, except this one you can actually manipulate and move around the globe. And the Google Earth application takes great advantage over the multi-touch capabilities, where you can twirl the Earth or the land around where you want it. Also, there's built-in GPS or cellular triangulation technology built in, so if you want to find where you're located, you can click that. There's no street view or anything like that. It's just plainly Google Earth, and very similar to the one on the computer, just in a mobile version. So please check that out. I rate this app another 8 out of 10. It's an excellent app. It is a little bit slow on the iPhone. This is the original iPhone, but it is faster on the 3G and 3GS, so check that one out.